Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get borders for your profile in Discord. So it's still kind of like rolling out to accounts, so if you don't have it yet, you just have to be a little bit more patient, unfortunately. Basically, if you go to shop, you'll see the frames that are here. I don't know why I said borders, but shop frames and you'll see the frames they have. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, this one's also so cute. But unfortunately, guys, you cannot use Discord orbs to get one. Maybe it's not available for this yet. Hopefully they'll have it soon. But this one's so cute. Oh my god. And this is what it will look like on your profile. There's a bunch: Meow Meow Cat, Mariposa, Dragon, Crystals, Dark Roses. They also come in different colors for some of them. Like this cat one, you can choose white, black, gray, orange. And yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.